Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my keto. So I'll break it down individually and show you guys what you need to buy if you want to join me with my keto journey. Hi guys, I'm Afton and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my keto grocery haul. Yeah, I'm doing keto now. I bought this package, this meal plan like a couple weeks ago, and here it is here. You can check them out on Instagram and on Facebook. Keto Live in Guyana is the name, so you guys can go check her out, and you guys can go buy your package as well from her. All right. So in this meal plan, it have a 4-week beginners meal plan. So I'll be doing the 4-week. I'm going to be very strict on this, and I'm going to follow all the steps and do everything that's in here. Some of the stuff that I don't eat, but I'll substitute it with something else. So I hope you guys wish me luck. And also I'm going to take you guys along for the journey. All right, every day I will be uploading what I eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner. And before I start the plan as well, I'll be showing you guys the weight that I start with. And when I finish the 4 weeks meal plan, I'll show you guys how many weight I lost as well. So come along with the ride with me, guys, right? And if anybody's interested in doing the meal plan with me, go ahead. So I'm gonna show you guys my grocery haul now. Hey guys, so these are the meat I'll be eating for the next 4 weeks. So over here I have some fish, chicken, pork, beef mince, I have some bacon, pepperoni, chicken mince, chicken sausages, ham, we have some egg, and some sawfish. So these are all the meats I'll be eating for the next 4 weeks. So I just show you all the meat I'll be using, so I'm going to show you all the veggies I'll be using as well. So over here I have some stir-fried veggies, carrots, cauliflower, and some chopped up broccoli, tomatoes, lettuce, melange, also some more broccoli. We have our purple cabbage and our normal cabbage. We have some cucumber and some bora. I have some shallot celery. Also I have some onion, garlic, ginger, So that's all the greens. So I'm going to show you the different type of cheese. So over here I have some cream cheese, anchor cheese, and some mozzarella cheese. So that's about it for the cheese. So the only oil you can be using, I have some coconut oil here. I have 2 different types of coconut oil, and we have our olive oil as well, virgin olive oil. And for flour, the only flour I can be using is the almond flour and the coconut flour. Also I have some gur gum. And for milk, the only milk I can use is the almond unsweetened milk, and our heavy whipping cream milk. Over here I have my ghee, butter, and shortening. I have my unsweetened coconut milk. I have some mayo, coffee, I have some pizza sauce here, some tuna, tomato sauce, sardine, mackerel. I have some almond peanut butter and the regular peanut butter. I have some mustard and some ragu sauce. So that's about it, guys. So these are, oh, and for sweetener I cannot use normal sugar. The only sugar I can use is the stevia in the raw and the trivia. These are the only sugar I can use. Alright, and for fruit I'll be using some pear. In Ghana we call it pear, but other countries you guys call it avocado, but in Ghana we just call it pear. Alright, so I think this is everything that I show you guys for my grocery haul. Alright guys, so I'll show you my keto grocery haul. So that's everything I'll be eating for the next month, and I hope you guys go to come back every day and follow the journey with me, because I'll be documenting everything that I'll be eating for my breakfast, my lunch, and for my dinner. So from tomorrow the videos are gonna be in the late afternoon. I'll be uploading it, right? Not in the morning anymore, because I'll have to put in my breakfast, lunch, and dinner into one video. Alright guys, so I hope you guys follow the journey with me, and if anybody wants to follow the keto plan with me as well, you're free to do so. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description box down below. And I want to ask you guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Alright guys, so please come back every day and see all these delicious keto meals I'll be making. Alright, and come along for the journey with me. Alright, so see you tomorrow. Take care and bye guys.